It's kind of difficult to get any housework done around here. Not that I do any housework, but I have all these helpers. They like to help with everything. They're into chewing everything. Metal is okay, but upholstery is not. The problem with puppies in summer is that they've got very sharp claws and they've got very sharp teeth, and you have to wear long pants and shoes, otherwise you're in great pain all the time. Ouch! Ouch!
Our buddy doesn't look either.
Oh, really?
No, he just looks at you and kind of gives you a squinch.
A little wet nose.
What's that? What's that?